That my best friend. She a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no nigga on the dance floor.
Today we have a very sad video. Very sad video. My best friend wants to reveal her voice. Guys, I'm so. Come get inside here.
Hey.
Hey, Lily. And guys, hopefully you guys can hear her because I do not want to record this again personally. Lily's
It's like the third time we've done this. The third time.
I mean, I love your voice, girl. You're beautiful. Sometimes.
Excuse me.
When you're not talking about certain stuff.
My very annoying friend Sarah. If you guys didn't know.
Pardon?
Um,
Pardon?
I'm her very nice best friend, but she is very annoying. Just let you know that.
Excuse me. I'm not annoying. First of all,
You're telling yourself that.
let me not out you. Let me up. Okay, I'm gonna cut that out of the video. As I was saying, so this is her voice, her very beautiful voice. Also, guys, if you see emoji at the top, because we had to find a way to record her voice, and we could only record her voice when we were on call, and you guys can see her face. But you guys would have to get me to like the million subscribers for me to show my voice and to show Lily. No, to show Lily's face. And I think this is why Lily has to be here. I don't know how to.
Oh, well, she does not understand words.
Okay.
I'm her translator.
True. So guys, yeah, you will be seeing a video me and Lily speaking in a few minutes. Also, this is going to be very fun to actually, this is going to be just like a short edit. It probably will come right after the video. So love you guys. Also, guys, I want you to just thank my dad for letting me use his phone all the time. Thank you. Bye.
And I'm doing him worse. No, Uno, I hit the reverse.